Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make hard fudge easy guide. Heat sugar and milk to the soft ball stage and stir constantly until temperature reaches 234 degrees F, then cool before beating to firm texture. Use a heavy saucepan and a candy thermometer for accuracy. Add butter and vanilla after cooling to preserve shine. Beat until thick and slightly grainy, then pour into a buttered pan and let set at room temperature. Gather your ingredients and tools before you start. You'll need sugar, whole milk, butter, and vanilla, optional cocoa for chocolate fudge. Have a candy thermometer, heavy saucepan, spatula, and buttered pan ready. Measure ingredients precisely and keep a bowl of cold water nearby to test soft ball stage. Prep a clean workspace and set a timer. Patience and timing are key to firm, reliable results every batch. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you think about money, and yes, it pairs nicely with baking mindset tips. If you enjoy small investments of time and ingredients that pay off, this book is a fun parallel to mastering a reliable recipe. Please subscribe and like if this video helps, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Bring mixture to a steady boil, stirring to dissolve sugar. Watch temperature closely and avoid stirring once at the soft ball stage. Remove from heat and let cool until surface is glossy but not warm to the touch. Add butter and vanilla, then beat vigorously until mixture thickens and loses shine. Work quickly to pour into pan before it sets, then score after partial cooling to make clean slices.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.